Yep. Hey, what's good, people? How you doing? Welcome back to this Back at Me. How you been? I have this 2016, but if you have between 2011 and 2017 Jeep Patriot, this video is for you. Alright, I'm gonna show you how to replace the driver's side mirror. Okay, so stay tuned. Before I jump into that, don't forget to support the channel. You know, subscribe, share, like, comment, all that. Anything you want to say, put in the comment box. Alright, you're not gonna hurt my feelings. I got alligator skin. You know what I'm saying? I'm Donald Trump with the pirates. All that. You know what I'm saying? What else? Oh yeah, the other way you can support the channel is by right below this video. There's a heart. It says super thanks. Click that. Click on that. Go through it. You know the vibes. You know what I'm saying? What else? I don't want to miss anything though. I was gonna say something else. Shit. Oh yeah. If you think this video is too slow, over here in the corner, there's a gear settings. You can go there, go to a speed, and you can speed the video, or if it's too fast for you, you can slow it down. You know what I'm saying? You can do whatever you want now. Nowadays, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not gonna hold you up. Let's do this. Oh, hey, shout outs to everybody. Shout outs to the new subscribers, the old subscribers, everybody, the whole family, right? The clan, the gang, all that. Shout outs to the whole world, you know what I'm saying? Canada, Mexico, Peru, Brazil, Venezuela, the whole thing, China, Japan, France, Germany, all that. You know what I'm saying? Okay, let's get this too. Yo, if I don't mention your country, don't feel like that, alright? Don't be like that. You know, I'm talking to you, alright? Everybody, I say everybody, you know what I'm saying? Alright, let's do this, alright? I'm not gonna... Alright, you see this baby? That's what's going on right there, alright? Pretty nice, right? All I did so far here is pop this, okay? This thing you're gonna do it like that. Just pop it like that, okay? You pop it just like that, okay? Then we're gonna have to remove this panel, okay? So that's going. That's what I'm gonna show you now, okay? Hannah. Alright, let me show you this. Over here, right here, you see that? We're gonna pop that guy, okay? It's better if you use a. It's gonna be a star hits, whatever you want to call it. I give it to you in a second, right? Right here, there's another one. Okay. It's another one right there, alright? Seems like it's the same size as this one. Maybe this one's smaller. Yo, but this is cheap. You don't have to do all that, alright? All you gotta do is go over here, pop this guy. Like that. You can see that. That's a 10mm. Right there. Oh, another here. And there's one more, if I'm not tripping. There's three nuts. Pulls. 1, 2. The other one's right here. 3. See it right there, that one. This one right there. Okay. This one right here. So we're gonna hit it with a 10mm socket, alright? Hopefully I'm not on the way. And you have this connect up right here. Okay, coming through. Use this guy. Pop it like that. Flip it. Press it. Okay. This one belongs to the mirror. It's not 10, it's 8 millimeter. Okay, 8 millimeter. Yeah, be careful with these nuts. You don't want to drop it here. Well, you could though. There's like a platform, little platform. You know, if you drop it, you can get it back. You don't have to remove the panel and all that. No, the other one is over here. Okay. Now I'm gonna do this. Just like that. Okay. I'm gonna give you the part number for the new one. Okay. No, this is the new one. Nothing new, it's the same thing. Okay. So what you're gonna do is put the line back. That's pretty much it. Now the installation goes reverse. 8 millimeters socket. Better if you have a deep socket, so you'll reach. You can use extension too. It's up to you.
Alright, so can we go ahead and do that? Alright, you got it. Talk there.
Put it over here, like that.
What's up?
We just got that. Gucci, alright? You don't have to remove the panel, okay? You don't have to remove the panel. You don't have to remove this. Like that. You're Gucci. Alright, so hopefully you can see this. That's the part number. Okay. This one or this one. Alright. That's pretty much it. Yeah, it's this one right here. That's the part number, okay? Hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy. You know where to find me. I'm clapping now. Axtuo.